Hello everyone! I'm Agnieszka from Publitas Customer Success Team. In this video, we'll explain the different publication statuses and the use cases behind them. Let's go to the platform. There are 3 publication statuses to choose from: offline, unlisted, and public. The default state is always offline, unless you decide to publish it right away when uploading a new PDF. Offline status means that the publication can only be viewed when you are logged into your account and cannot be accessed externally. It is recommended to keep the publication offline as long as you are working on it and preparing it for its release. The unlisted status means that the publication is only accessible to anyone who has the URL. This is useful when you want to share a publication with someone from the organization who doesn't have a user in Publitas, or when you don't want the publication indexed by search engines, which helps to keep the content more inclusive. Our last status is public. Once the publication is moved to this status, search engines will index its content, making it easy to find. You can move the publication between the statuses. Just keep in mind that once a publication is indexed by search engines, its content will remain visible there, even after moving the publication to unlisted or offline. I hope publication statuses are no mystery now. If you need additional information, helpful articles from our knowledge base are linked below. Thank you for watching, happy publishing, and see you in the next one.